Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. It's December the 23rd, 2019. I have an update on the Carnival Glory. She's still being worked on in New Orleans and is late leaving the port. Thank you for joining my channel, subscribing to Traveling with Bruce, giving my videos thumbs up, so I really appreciate it. Check out this video clip from the other day. Unbelievable. This is what happened the other day in Cozumel, Mexico. Thank you, Wendy Brewer, for giving us this video clip. Unbelievable, the impact right in port. The damage was severe on the Glory, not so much on the Carnival Legend. She's fine over there, but the Glory got a big gash. Look at this here. Photos courtesy of Christian Maxey. Thanks again, Christian. You can just see how the one deck was crushed down below. The top one is sliced open. As soon as this happened, within an hour, there were crews of staff here cleaning it all up and getting all the debris out of here because the ship had to leave Cozumel. It came into New Orleans Saturday. That would have been the day before yesterday, and you can see the big gash at the back, but it's all cleaned out. Here's another view right here. You can see the work the crew did to clean out all of the debris. And ever since then, the new crews have come in to seal this up so the ship is ready for departure. Now, all night last night, this crew, got to be 15, 20 more guys, they put on a giant plate on the side of the ship there. You can see how the ship normally looks. And now take a look at what they're doing here. The big plate being added to cover up the big gash area on the side. And then on the very back, they're sealing up all the openings so that the ship can sail without any wind issues or rain or anything like that. The trick is, though, the ship was supposed to leave at midnight on Sunday evening, the 22nd of September or December, and here we are, the morning of the 23rd. It's still in port. So the job is a lot larger than they thought it would be, more time-consuming, and perhaps the U.S. Coast Guard would not leave them, let them leave the port the way the ship was. We can only speculate. I don't know, but they are definitely doing a repair job that you can tell will last a while. This isn't like for a week or two. This is probably going to be for several months because the ship is going to have to go into dry dock when full repairs are to be made. And between now and then, they want to have this ship completely sealed off and as pretty looking as possible and as stable as possible. And then they'll get her into dry dock and totally make a full-blown repair. But it's millions of dollars when the full repair is going to be done. It's quite the logistics. So hopefully sometime this morning the ship will be able to leave New Orleans. The passengers are on board. They're ready to go. They're just slept overnight on the ship, and we'll see if she heads out sometime today. We'll keep you posted, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.